Hi, Ron Knight for Hobby Wars. I built this experimental aircraft to try to figure out ways to teach people ways to fly model aircraft. It operates with a buddy box system, 2 transmitters, one for a student, one for an instructor. It has a very sophisticated electronic leveling system built in, so if you think you're going to crash the plane, you let go of the controls and it'll automatically level itself and fly straight. It has a camera built in here to get a rear view documentation of the flight. But what's unique about it, it has controls in here, manual controls. You have a little lever stick here, just like in a full-scale airplane that people fly in. So the student could operate these controls, the elevator and ailerons, and see how they move to make the plane move the way you want it to, and see how it's just like operating the radio-controlled transmitter. You have little rudder pedals in the bottom here, operate the rudder back there, and a little throttle lever to regulate the power on the motor. So, it looks like all we have to do now is take it out for a test flight.
Unless you're going to jump in that plane yourself, you may need your transmitter.
Oh yeah, I must have left it in my truck here. Here, let's take a time out.
No. Get out. Out. Hey, Ron! Ron, the squirrel's in the plane.
What?
The squirrel, it's taken off in the plane.
Hey! Down. Oh, we had a lucky landing. I think everything's okay. Squirrels.
I think it's laughing at you.